Here's a quick tip for when you have a mask layer inside another layer and you want to transform that parent layer, so you want to move it, rotate it and scale it. I've created a selection of the sky in this image, and across on the layers panel I have my replacement sky ready to go. So I'll just show that sky layer and then mask it using this option on the layers panel. So I just need to deselect. On Mac that's Command D, on Windows Control D, and now I need to scale this replacement sky up so it meets the dimensions of the original document. So I'll select the sky layer, choose the Move tool, and we're going to run into a problem because when we start to scale this up, notice that we're also scaling the mask layer as well. Now fortunately there is a very straightforward solution to this. I'll just go to Edit and Undo, and this time, before we start transforming, we simply enable Lock Children on the context toolbar for the Move tool that we have selected. And now, when I scale the sky up, it's only scaling the parent layer and not the mask, which is a child layer. So I could also move this layer around, like so, just to get a bit more of that detail in the sky. And there we go, just a very quick solution for when you need to transform a parent layer without actually transforming the mask inside it.